gonna drill slowly to prevent the dust from scattering all over the place. Yep, yeah, this is it's good to go. So there's one hole there. The laser line just lines up all the way and meets with the other hole. 6, we're gonna have 6 here, and 6 here as well. Yeah. This is how I take my measurement. So the tape measure is just hanging on the edge of one of the spotlight, comes all the way through there, and yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna go to the other end. Oh. Yeah, all done. That's all lined up all the way there. Yep, and here's where, so we have the pendants 1, 2, 3. That's quite close to the wall. Then that one is lined up to the other ones there. Then we have 1 spotlight here, 1, 2, 3 for the kitchen. So I decided to continue all the way with that spotlight because that's gonna seem a bit too much in the living room. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Look at that. Just something like that, yeah. And the client doesn't want anything at the middle, so we're gonna scrap that and use that switch to control the light here. Then we're gonna use that light to control the pendants. Then we're gonna use this to control the spotlights. So we're still gonna have a 3-gang here. I'm gonna have to convert this to a double box and have a 3-gang. Yeah, so we're done here. So that contrast that, and that one contrast this one. All dimmable. Yeah, that's also dimmable as well, which is good. Then the last one right there, contrast this. So dimmable. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just added the last one there. So the way I did it, I added 1 more there in line with this light. This is in line with that. That's in line with that. Then this is not really in line with this. So what I did was, so you see the whole way around, coming down. This centerpiece is in line with the spotlights over there.